Well, hello. So, yeah, let's see. You are now looking at my really old router. I haven't really been using it in years because I've been running a firewall software called pfSense on an old computer for a couple of years. And that's because this device is not that great anymore. It's like 15 years old or something when I record this video, and it can't really handle the modern devices. It has a thing called draft N, the N network, 300 megabits, and the N wireless wasn't really done yet, so that's why they call it draft N. And yeah, I haven't been using this because it's starting to have some issues with keeping the connection to the mobile devices for my phone, for example. So the phone kept dropping the connection all the time. So the Wi-Fi is not that great. And also the other thing is that right now I got a little more faster internet connection, so I got 250 megabit down, 100 megabit up, and this can't really handle that, especially when you got multiple devices trying to access the internet. So it has gigabit ports also on the internet port, but just because it does have 1 gigabit ports doesn't mean it can sort of pass through 1 gigabit between the internet and your LAN ports. So I think the maximum speed on this one, if you're lucky, having a good device, is around 200 megabits. And that's on a good day. If bad day, you might get half. So I can't really use this one. And I've been using pfSense, as I said before, on a different computer. That computer is also from 2007. It's a Q6600. It's a quad-core CPU with DDR2 memory. That computer is also having some issues right now. It keeps freezing, and sometimes it won't even boot up. So yeah, and so I thought, well, I got faster internet, and also I need some new Wi-Fi. Okay, so I decided to get a new home router, and it's a little bit more performance in this one. This costs here in Sweden, including tax, about $300 US, and it's the ASUS RT-AX86U. And this kind of router, the model number at least, is a couple of years old, but they have upgraded this model. I think the previous one was called RT-AC86U. This is AX86U, and it has Wi-Fi 6 on it. So I thought, well, I'm going to have this for many years, so I thought I would get the more powerful one. This model called 68U as well. It's a more simpler version. Cost about $180 US here in Sweden. But this one have a quad-core CPU and 1 gig of RAM. And the 68U have like a dual core with 512 megs of RAM. So I thought, well, this one have a little bit more performance because I'm going to have it a couple of years. And it have a lot of Wi-Fi features and stuff. I'm not going to use everything either because I don't really have that many Wi-Fi devices. I mostly have everything connected to the wired connections. Okay, so let's actually remove the condom on it. It has kind of a plastic thing here. So let's just corner. So it's kind of a big box. It's somewhat heavy. Okay, so it's nothing special. Well, some ports. Okay. So on this side there's a kind of a tape. No, it doesn't have. So let's see if we can open it. Yeah, it has some. No, it doesn't. And I bet it's upside down. Ooh. The paper condom is off. Let's see. Yeah. It's so white. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So, let's see. It has an app on the phone as well. You can download. You can do some stuff on it. So, app setup instructions. Advanced Wi-Fi helper tip. Okay, that's it. No warranty stuff. Okay, let's start with this one. This is what? This is the antennas. 3 antennas. We have 2 power cables. One is for UK, with special kind of triangle connector, and then we have the sort of European version, the run connector, and this triangle, these 3 thing there, and then we have the power adapter, the connective stuff. Kind of a big connector to it. Okay. And then we have the router itself. Oh, there's more underneath. Okay. Yeah, so router, and then we have wireless dual band gigabit router, quick start guide. Yeah, it's pretty thick. So I guess, yeah, it's multiple languages. So yeah, kind of a big book. VIP member. Here's the warranty notice. Yeah, there's some serial numbers and stuff. There's a 3-year warranty from ASUS on this one. I think it's only 1 year in the shop that I got it from. But if you register this device on ASUS website, you get a 3-year warranty. And if it breaks down, you send it directly to ASUS. So that's what the shop said, at least. Okay, here's another Ethernet cable. I got plenty of these. And that's kind of it. Let's see, nothing there. Nope. So let's actually put back some of these. I don't think I need this. Yeah. I might actually have that. Let's see. Yeah. So, let's actually keep everything. I might need them later. So yeah, that's kind of the unboxing right now. Let's do this. Let's put all the paper stuff, all the plastic stuff back in the box. So yeah, that's the router itself. So yeah, it's going to be standing up like this. So the antennas are right here at the top. And back you got, let's see, the power connector, power switch, reset button, 2 USB 3 connectors, and then you got 2. What's this? Oh, okay. So it's a green, the green one is 2.5 gigabit. Okay, and then the blue is 1 gigabit. That's the internet. I don't know if that's the internet as well, I have to check that out. And then you have the regular 4 LAN ports. So I saw a video on this one that both of these are internet connections. So you can have 2 connections from 2 different ISPs. And you can do some load balancing or having one as a secondary. So if the first one goes down, it will automatically switch to the second one. So yeah, so that's that. Let's connect the antennas. I can open this plastic wrap. Modern days, and there's still so much plastic. Oh my god. Let's see, screw this on. Ooh. I am right-handed, so let's do it with my right hand. A lot easier that way. And the last one. Okay, that's the antennas as well. Of course you can have them in different kind of angles. And of course you got a bunch of lights and stuff. And yeah, there's a button here on the side where you can turn the lights completely off and stuff. Yeah, let's try this out. And yeah, let's put this away for now. So let's see. Kind of a somewhat big, but not too big. So yeah, I will connect this up, and I will do the software thing in a different video, and I will put a link to that video in the video description. So yeah, that's it for now, the sort of unboxing, and I will do some testing later on. So yeah, catch you later.